You're welcome to Stop Exfoliation series. You are welcome. Today's video, we shall be focusing on how to measure your skin exfoliation, or why you should measure your skin exfoliation. Choose the title that suits you the most. So let's go to today's lecture. Come on board. Skin cell renewal varies from person to person, but let me give you an idea. Children will renew their skin in 14 days. Teenagers and youths should renew their skin in 28 days. Middle age should renew their skin in 28 days, 48 days. Okay, while adult 50, matured skin 50 years upward should renew their skin in, if the person is lucky, 50 days, otherwise 50 days, 60 days, 70 days, 80 days, depending on, several factors. Okay, so what now comes to mind? The question now says, what should be the interval of skin exfoliation? And my answer will be, it depends on your type of exfoliation. Okay, no, just calm down. I'm gonna make it simple. Okay, so don't get anxious. Okay, for this series, I shall be focusing on physical exfoliation. Okay, now physical exfoliation can be described as a type of exfoliation that removes corneum layer, that is the dead skin cell, with the aid of simple tools and product. It can be product alone, it can be simple tools alone, and you can combine like tools and products alone for the removal of dead skin cell. Now, under this physical exfoliation, we can categorize it as well into three. Okay, under physical exfoliation, we have the mild exfoliation, we have the medium exfoliation, we have the deep exfoliation. Okay, now deep exfoliation sheds deeper and it stimulates keratinization process faster. It stimulates keratinization process like about 30%. Okay, so while medium exfoliation is a surface exfoliation, but it also stimulates keratinization process, but not as fast as deep exfoliation. I'm going to do a reverse, okay, and explain further. Deep exfoliation should be done professionally. You must be careful, okay, even though it stimulates keratinization process faster and that it does a deeper, okay, shedding of the corneum layer, but care must be taken that it should be done professionally. Okay, so medium exfoliation will as well, even though it's a surface exfoliation, but it will as well, okay, stimulate keratinization process, but not as fast as deep exfoliation. Mild exfoliation desquamates. It smoothens rough, dead skin. Let's now go to the interval template for deep exfoliation. So remember that I mentioned earlier that deep exfoliation sheds deeper than other categories of physical exfoliation. So this template assumes that your exfoliation is a deep one, that is a deep exfoliation. So let's assume that this template believes that exfoliation that you are doing is a deep exfoliation. So if that's the case, and I also mentioned to you that deep exfoliation will stimulate keratinization process fast. Okay, and I said it will gain skin cell renewal, it will speed up skin cell renewal by about 30%. So with that in mind, let's assume that you are 28 years old. Okay, that you are a youth, you are a teenager. Okay, you will renew skin cell naturally in 28 days. Okay, now meaning that your 30% gain will speed it up to 19 days. It will speed it up to 19 days. So that goes to say that your next deep exfoliation will not be necessary till another 19 days or later. Okay, so you are middle age, you will renew skin cell in 40 days. Okay, 30%, speed it up to 28 days. You will no longer be needing to do another deep exfoliation till 28 days or after. Same goes to I am 50 years old and above. Let's just use that 50 years old and above. So we now believe that naturally you will exfoliate without any intentional exfoliation. Your skin will just renew itself in 50 days. Now your exfoliation, you speed it up to 35 days. Okay, so you will no longer need to do an intentional deep exfoliation till 35 days or after. Surprise? So be guided by this template. Having deep exfoliation at too close an interval will lead to over-exfoliation. Over-exfoliation can cause damage, okay? It can damage your skin or cause several skin issues such as hypersensitivity to your environment. Hypersensitivity to your environment. Over-exfoliation can cause hypersensitivity to your environment. Take note. Okay? Loss of elasticity is another that over-exfoliation can cause. And loss of elasticity may cause premature aging. In fact, it will cause premature aging. It's not that it may cause it. When you continue to lose elasticity, the end result is that you begin to age fast, premature aging. So, and so on. These are just a few that I can mention here that time permits. So, I shall take you through what I call alternating exfoliation. Alternating between this physical exfoliation, alternating between categories of physical exfoliation. Take the thing that suits you. Okay, but till then, you're going to do something for me. Come back, keep coming back to this channel, and I shall welcome you. Do a like, do a thumbs up, just click it. It doesn't cost you anything. Like this effort, okay? Like Auntie Doyin's effort, okay? Another thing you do for me is be super generous by subscribing to this channel. Subscribe and give me a feedback. Give me a feedback at the comment section. I'll be glad to respond. Bravo.